Hi everyone. It's still Sunday, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this one today or tomorrow. I think I'll save it for tomorrow. So this is the updated list as of Sunday, 6:30 in the evening. So thank you all for sponsoring my channel. Much appreciated. And it's stencil time. Yay! Okay. I put the stencil on and oh, forgot to get a little spongy thing. Well, this one will have to work. So what I want to do is put the this color on, of course, turquoise, because there's a lot of turquoise in this pour, and I'm just hoping that it's gonna be really, really cool having some turquoisey color. So here we go. Oops, already got it all over my fingers. But you're used to that, right? Yep. Okay, here we go. So what I want to do is really just tap it on. I don't want to brush it because then it'll get under the stencil and we don't want that. So I'm just sort of softly tapping on top. Very slowly, because we don't want to get it under the edges. So I'm hoping it's gonna work. Just like that. Ew. And I really don't want to rub it, and I'm trying not to. I've never done this before, by the way. So we don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. But I don't want any gaps in there either, so that's why I'm doing it slowly, making sure I got it all covered. And I have seen some people just, you know, with a palette knife going over it, but I don't dare do that. So I'm gonna do it very slowly and make sure everything's covered. And I sort of like the pattern that this leaves. I like that too. Oops, see a little bit peeking through. We don't want that, right? The cogwheels, I'm gonna save those cogwheels for another one, because you know they were going to send me some really cool patina stuff, that rusty patina look, and well, I still haven't got it, so I'm gonna save the cogwheels for something rusty looking, because I think that really goes with that cogwheel look. You want something really sort of oops, there, I brushed it. Don't brush it. Yeah, the cogwheels call for something rusty looking, so that's what I'm going to save that for. But this this might work. Who knows? We'll see. Now I am going to do something more to it than just this, so bear with me here. Making sure that I'm not brushing. I did brush a little, so we might see a little bit of smudge. We'll see. It's so it's just a natural thing to do, you know, do that. but then you're pretty sure you're gonna get it under those under the stencil, so gotta make sure we don't do that. Okay, almost there. Okay, I think we have everything covered. Maybe a little bit there, a little bit thicker. Yep, that's it. Do we have everything covered? Yes, we do. Okay, what I was thinking of adding a little sparkle, and I'm going to do that with the holographic stuff. Let's see, because I do want it to pop a little bit, but not too much. Don't want to overdo it. Let's see. Tiny little bit. And a little bit of blue. Smack in the middle. That's cool. A little bit on the side. A little bit on top and at the bottom. You can almost not see it. And I'm looking for my holographic. This is the holographic one. Let's see if we can get some holographic in here. That's it. No more than that. Stop. Okay. Now for the unveiling of the stencil. Let's see what happens. Oh, pretty. Oh, I think we did a good job. I have to wash this off straight away. I think we did a really nice job. Look at that. That is pretty, isn't it? Now, as you can see, there is a little bit of glitter here and there, so that just, you know, adds to the look of things. And of course, I still have to varnish it. But I think the color was really a good choice. There you go. It's really popping off the background, and I really like that. You know, if it really fades almost into the background, that's cool also. But I just like this. It's popping right off there. Some pieces are a little thicker, some a little thinner. And I can see where I did a little brush that it came under the stencil up here. So it's all about being really careful and just doing it from up high and not making a sideways movement, because then you get under there and you don't want that. But I think it worked out really fine. You can even see a little sparkle. Of course, in real life you see it a little bit better. That's nice. Yeah, I'm satisfied with it. Let me just look. This is really the first time I've ever done a stencil. So oh, there I missed a little spot. I see that. Just wait. See, that's a good thing that you can still do something to it. See the little dot I have here, and there's no dot over here. So we have to make one. There we are. Now it's back in. Let's check some more. That's okay, that's done. That's pretty much done up here. Here we have some small ones. Nope, that's it. That was just one little dot that I missed. There we go. Okay, got some stuff to clean again. I just cleaned my whole studio, but thought I'd just give you one more video. But I'm gonna do this Monday, post it Monday. Yes. Okay, guys, what do you think? I think it looks cute. And we could even go over, see, now I'm thinking of more possibilities. That's just me. But we could even, you know, make it more not stencil-y like, if we took a little bit of dark paint and just maybe just did this bit here. Let me do this. See, then it won't be sort of like a stencil. Then it'll look more like you painted something on top. Let me put some paint on the table here. Get the brush in. And you don't want to overdo it, but just like that. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, because this is going to take long. But I guess you know what I mean, you know, just coming in with a little bit of another color and just doing this, maybe just in the middle. Like that. And you could do that once it's dry. Let's get that off there. Get it back in there, just making it a little darker. Don't want to overdo it. That's a little bit too much. Well, you get the idea, you know, just giving it a little bit of a shadow. But I would choose to do it once this layer is dry, because there's just too much of a chance that you put your hand in the dried paint, or in the dried paint, in the wet paint. You don't want to do that. Just a little hint, giving it a really little bit of color. I know it's almost not visible, but it does give a little bit of a difference. Yeah, I sort of like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop this video. I'll just leave it just as it is. Maybe just touch it up here a little bit, because I find this one's a little bit dark. There we go. Yeah, I can see myself hanging this on the wall. Okay people, thanks for watching. Again, I'm gonna wish you all a really, really great day, and love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. See you in the next video. Bye bye.